Be careful. The desperation is so much. Let us not celebrate things that are not original. And let us celebrate people for who God has made them. If you're a woman and you want to get married, all you need, listen to me, very simple. A man who has the fear of God, number one. A man who is purpose-driven, number two. A man who is hard-working, number three. Falling in love is the last thing you should look for in marriage. Let me repeat. Falling in love is the last thing that you should look for in marriage, because falling in love is simply an emotional thing. You can fall in love today, you can fall out of love tomorrow. So when you look for the man, it's someone who is what? Has the fear of God, is purpose-driven, he has a future, he has goals. He may not have money today, hear me, he may not have money today, but he has a future. Don't marry a man who has no future. He doesn't need to have money today, but he must have what? A future. He must have goals. And listen to me, men, and I'm going to end my message really soon. Don't marry a woman who cannot respect you and who is not proud of you. Any woman you must marry, the number one thing you should look for is not how much of a prayer warrior she is. Sometimes a woman can be a prayer warrior and also a marriage warrior.